Hey everybody, this is Amanda and thanks for watching Brownings by Design. Today I'm going to be showing you our master bathroom renovation. I'm so excited to show you all the befores and afters, so stay tuned.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
All right guys, let's start with the vanity. If you look at the before pictures, you'll see that it was pretty dated. It was built with the house in 2000, and so I definitely wanted to update this area. So we ordered this really beautiful bluish gray vanity from Home Depot, and it didn't come with a countertop. And Clint said that he could make a concrete countertop for this vanity, which I thought would be really, really cool. He's done them before, and we will do a later video to show you how to do that for any area you want to do that in your house, like your kitchen or your bathroom. And then these vessel sinks that we got at Wayfair, I really, really, really wanted vessel sinks. I'm short, and so I don't have to bend over as far, and I just really loved the look of them. Wanted to keep the double sink idea in here, obviously because it's master bathroom and his and hers. The mirror that we had, we kept, because we didn't have to spend extra money on that. So we were able just to frame it with some white oak wood, keep it fresh looking, and still have a very large mirror. And the light fixture we got from Home Depot, and I wanted to have a light fixture that covered the long area of the double sinks, and it provides a lot of light in here. So yeah, just to round it off, we've got some artwork, some pampas grass that I cut from my front yard, and all the little accessories that you need. You know, the soap dispensers and the cups to hold your toothbrushes and toothpastes, all from Target.
So when Amanda came to me and told me that she wanted to upgrade the bathroom, one of the first things we realized was that we don't really use the tub that's in here. You can see from the old pictures, you know, it was an old style tub. We have another tub in the guest bathroom, so this one could be gone. So what we did was we took down the wall originally that divided the tub and the shower, and that held the plumbing in there. So I moved the plumbing over to this wall over here. And when I did that, it allowed us to put glass all the way around, which really opens up the room. Next, what I did was I went ahead and got on build.com and looked at different shower sizes that we could do. We picked out a size that we wanted, that we thought would fit the space really well. And then I built a custom curb for that specific size shower. And what I did was we went to Floor and Decor, and we found these 12 by 24 tiles. They have a nice clean look. They're mainly white with just a hint of gray in them, and just look really, really nice. And took those, built the curb. You know, we used these Schluter strips right here just to kind of cap it off perfectly and give it a nice clean edge. Once we had that done, you can see from some of the pictures, went ahead and did the floor in here, and you'll see Amanda picked out this nice hexagon tile with we used the Mapei flex color grout inside of there just to give it a nice clean look. And we used that also when we were doing the niche, and gives it a really, really nice look, especially the offset with the white. It's just very, very muted. Now, this I'm extremely proud of, because a lot of times when you go and look at people's showers that have a niche put in, they didn't plan it correctly to where when they lay the tile in, you'll see wider grout lines, you'll see slivers of tile, things to try and make it look you know, like it's supposed to be there. I wanted mine to be measured precisely so that all my grout lines are the same. This is the exact size that it needs to be of what a tile would have been, and that way I don't have any weird size issues. Don't have, you know, it gives it a cleaner look. It does take a little more planning. You have to account for your flooring, your gaps. You have to, you know, take the time and measure and plan it out. If you take the time and plan it, you can end up with a beautiful product like this, and you'll be happy to show it to people.
All right, moving on guys, if you look at the before pictures, you'll see that this was a shower. And when Clint knocked everything out, I just wanted everything open. So I saw on Pinterest this really cute idea to do floating shelves here, just to have some really cute accessories, have some extra towels. Over on this wall, I did not want your standard towel rack. So Clint made a towel hook bar for me so I can hang all of our wet towels here so they can dry easily. And yeah, so it just keeps everything open and airy and just have a little bit of extra space in here. All right guys, the last thing I want to show you was the flooring in here. We went to Home Depot and we picked out 12 by 24 tiles to go with the shower. And we did a light gray, so it would all fall into place with the other colors that we used inside the shower.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed.
Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Hope you picked up some ideas if you're considering doing this in your own home. And stay tuned for our next episode on Brownings by Design.